How to import your Telegram wallet in Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you need to have your Telegram wallet's secret recovery phrase. If you do have it, then you need to simply launch your Tonkeeper wallet application. Then tap on the wallet option in the top, and after that select the option of add wallet. Now among the given options, you need to select the second option that would say existing wallet. Over here, you just have to type the secret recovery phrase one by one that you have just copied from your Telegram wallet. After providing all of the seed phrase, you need to press continue in the bottom. Then wait for some time until it is redirecting you in your Tonkeeper wallet. Now once you do this, you will be landed on the home page of your Telegram wallet in your Tonkeeper wallet. So this way you will be able to import your Telegram wallet in Tonkeeper wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.